Welcome in. Today, we are sitting with the lunar eclipse full moon in Virgo, a moment of refinement, recalibration, and honest release. Virgo doesn't destroy, it edits. And under an eclipse, what no longer is aligned becomes very clear. This meditation is about protecting your life's force, releasing what drains you, restoring dignity inside your daily rhythm. Get comfortable. Let your body settle, and we'll begin with a breath together. Take a slow breath in, 4 counts. Exhale gently for 6 counts. Again, inhale clarity. And exhale effort. This is the full moon eclipse in Virgo, a reckoning of refinement, not destruction, and edit. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. You are not here to optimize yourself. You are here to release what costs too much. Bring awareness to your body. Notice your stomach, your breath, your hips, your nervous system. Virgo governs the body's editing system, digestion, regulation, and cleanup. Ask yourself quietly, what feels heavy? What feels overused? What feels like it's been running on survival mode? Your body knows before your mind admits. Bring your awareness to your hips, the place that carries you forward. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding your hips and lower spine. Coxa, the lion's joint, teaches that forward motion requires alignment. Feel the subtle corrections happening. Your posture adjusts. Your breath deepens. Your weight distributes evenly. Strength without strain. Say silently, I move forward in dignity. Now, imagine your daily life laid out in front of you like a desk. Routines, obligations, habits, coping mechanisms. Notice which ones feel clean. Notice which ones feel draining. This eclipse asks, are your systems protecting your life force or proving you deserve love? One draining pattern rises to the surface. Do not judge it. Just see it clearly. And with your next exhale, imagine gently removing it from your desk. Not violently, just precisely. Virgo edits. Repeat slowly. I release what drains my life force. My standards protect my tenderness. My discipline serves my heart. Bring one hand to your solar plexus or your belly, and one hand to your heart. Feel the connection. Virgo strengthens the will. Leo reminds you why. Breathe into both centers. Imagine a clean golden thread connecting them. Your power and your compassion working together. This is nervous system safety. This is self-respect inside structure. Ask quietly, what would my life feel like if it were designed for safety instead of survival? Pause and let the answer be felt, not forced. Take one slow breath in and a long, steady exhale. Feel the weight of your body where it is supported. The chair, floor, bed, earth. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Gently bring awareness back to your physical space. Wiggle your fingers slowly. Wiggle your toes. If your eyes have been closed, let light return gradually. Blink softly before fully opening them. Take a moment to look around you. Let your nervous system register. You are here. You are safe. You are steady. Say quietly, my life force is valuable. I protect it with clarity and dignity. And take one final breath. And when you're ready, re-enter your day gently. No rush.